So here in this conference room, we just built a temporary structure that we can provide demonstrations of the abilities that we have while on rope. Rope access is, as it sounds like, you're using a rope to access the facade of a building. Getting those close-up visuals of a building, being on, hands-on on the building. The benefit for rope access for a building owner is we can rig the building and drop on each individual elevation rather than having a contractor or somebody come out and rig the building for us. If we are waiting for a contractor to rig a swing stage, we're relying on them. We only get one drop per swing stage, whereas with rope access, we just come up and can re-rig our ropes and then do another drop that same day, being able to evaluate more facade area in a given time. So we can get a lot more done in a single day. With that, it's also more cost effective. We can come out and you're paying for our time to drop ropes down and access the facade. So one of the benefits here at Walker is our SPRAT technicians that we have for rope access are actual engineers and architects that are up close to the building. It's not just a technician that's out there. So we have our experts on the facade. So if you do have any concerns with your facade, get in touch with us. You can send us an email, give us a call on the phone, go over the concerns that you might have with that facade.